This is Realme 9 Pro Plus, and in this short video I would like to figure out what is the maximum camera zoom that this device has to offer. So without further ado, let me quickly enter the photo mode and zoom in until I cannot no more. So basically, as you can see, the farthest I can zoom into something is 20-fold, or the maximum zoom value is 20x. Now let me try to take a picture of something while zoomed into 20 times and see the result. So the results are fairly decent if you ask me, and that would be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.